Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking out how to restore your messenger chats, including the photos that were deleted, in this video we are going to guide you through the process to restore or recover them. So let's just dive right in and get started. We can start by checking out our archived chats. For that, open up the messenger application for your device first. And once you do so, you can look out for the menu option in the bottom right and tap on it and access your menu here. So once you access your menu, what you need to do is basically look out for the option of archive and tap on archive to access your archive chats. From here, you can just go over and find the conversation and select it to view the photos. You may need to unarchive it to move it back to main inbox paste right here. And from there, you can just go over to the chat and view the picture that you are looking for. This is one of the method available. Apart from that, another what we can do is we can check our Facebook settings for that. So open up the Facebook settings associated with this account right here. Open up Facebook for that. And once you open up your Facebook, you can look out for the menu icon and tap on it. And just go over and access your settings from here. Scroll down, go to settings and privacy, drop it down, and go to settings and tap on it. After you tap on settings, you can look out for your account centers and tap on it. And from there, what you may do is basically go to the option for your informations and permissions and tap on it. And from there, you can scroll down and look out for this option called export your information or access your information. So let's head over and export. You can tap on export. You can even look out for download information. And once you find it up, what you need to do is basically follow the process. So tap on create export, follow the on-screen instructions and select up your Facebook account with which your messenger is connected. After that, tap on export your device or external service. And once you do so, you may just go over and select. So you can customize information, tap on it, and there ensure that you have chosen the photos options from the given options available. So you can look out for the option of photos, and once you select the photos, you can tap on save and tap on start export and export it. Once downloaded, you can unzip the file and look for the photos with the messages or the photos folders. And that is it. If the photos are not in your archived or even your downloaded Facebook data, then they are likely permanently deleted and cannot be restored, and it is not possible. So if you're looking for legal way, this is only the way possible. You can try it out and see if it works. Do not use any kind of third-party application that claims to recover your permanently deleted messages, as they can be very security risk and are often ineffective. So that is it, everybody. You may follow up this method if you want to recover, restore your messenger photos. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.